Guys, welcome to my channel Live to Inspire. Today I have come up with one announcement about one series of motivational videos that I'm going to create and upload on my channel. It will be in the playlist called Your Daily Dose of Motivation. Why this series is because I felt the need of creating this motivational videos on particular topic, or you can say a healthy habit, because looking at my consistency on Facebook and Instagram, and about my workout updates, and how I'm doing 365 challenge, and today I am on 145th day. So looking at that, I receive calls from my friends, my family and my well-wishers who ask me that how you keep yourself so motivated, what is the mantra for your consistency, how you do that. And I really feel that it's all that comes from within. So we are the one who can motivate ourselves, but at times we need motivation, right? Even I watch motivational videos, I read self-help books. So when I talk to them, I try to motivate them, and with that discussion they try to implement that particular habit or things that they want to do, and they try to implement, but it lasts only for few days. That motivation goes off after few days. So I thought, why not create series of motivational videos, because I love to motivate people. Whenever I meet anyone, just on the way, when we meet friends, and while shopping, or during while in mall, we have topics like workout, fitness, eating habits and all that, and I never lose a chance to motivate someone. It's my habit from my childhood, I guess, and I've identified that this is my passion, you can say. So I love to motivate people for doing good things, for inculcating healthy habits, and keeping some target, or be to be growth oriented always. So it's my habit to motivate people, and today all of a sudden I thought, let me try this, let me start the series of motivation. I have n number of things which I can motivate someone for. So I thought, let me make a list of it, and make one video on one particular habit or healthy thing that you can do for your good lifestyle. So that's one thing that I'm going to start today. So today my first video will be on fitness motivation, and then you will have series of videos, one on gratitude or meditation or pranayama, or all the habits or things which I started doing from the time I started reading self-help books. I think 2017 and I started implementing one thing which I came across, and a few challenges which I was able to complete during this lockdown, during this pandemic. So I think everyone needs that dose of motivation. Sometimes we find the source, sometimes we have to look for it, sometimes we get that motivation from self, from family, or from people whom we admire, right? So it's this videos or this series of things is for all those people who really want to implement good habits in their life, but they are not able to do that for some or the other reasons, because excuses are millions, thousands of excuses we have, right? But there is one reason why I want to do this particular thing. So it's with me also, in this 4-5 years, many times I decided I'll start working out regularly, I'll eat healthy, I'll eat early, all those things, but it never happened for more than 4-5 days. After 4-5 days the motivation goes down, and you need that boost, that push. So this videos, I think I hope this videos will help you guys. So whenever you feel, I need a fitness motivation, just click on my fitness motivation video. Whenever you feel, I need the guidance for a gratitude practice which I want to add into my lifestyle routine, you can have that. So I'll just name it fitness motivation, self-love motivation, and all those things, and one by one you can watch those videos, you can save it for future reference, you can share it with people whom you want to motivate for that particular habit in their life. So this is not just one eating habit or a fitness or anything, but I have added so many things in this series. You can just click on the name and watch this video, and these are going to be very short videos, like 3 minutes to 5 minutes videos. You can watch it, get motivated, and start your routine with that, and add good things in your life. And I hope this will help you. So see you in my first video of this series of motivational videos. Until then, goodbye, take care.